Good day, everyone. Welcome to our online session for computer system servicing. Our topic for Module 3 is all about proper tool selection. I want you to identify whether the following is a tool or a material. Picture number 1. Printer ink. Is it a tool or a material? A material. Very good. Picture number 2. Wire cutter. A tool. Very good. Picture number 3. Bond paper. Is it a tool or a material? Yes, it's a material. How about picture number 4? Scissors. Scissors belongs to tools. So based from the examples given, how do you define tools? How do you differentiate it from material? Tools are permanent and are usually handheld devices that aid in accomplishing the tasks, while materials are consumables or anything that may be used up. Now, I want you to examine these photos and identify what task is being done in each photo. Photo number 1. Cleaning the monitor with a lint-free cloth. Photo number 2. Cleaning the keyboard with a brush. How about photo number 3? Removing dust from the inside of the system unit using compressed air. How about photo number 4? Troubleshooting the system unit using anti-static wrist strap. How about the last picture? Tightening or loosening screws using screwdriver. Very good. In preparing for the task to be undertaken, you have to consider the following. First, safe use of tools. Second, proper tool selection. Third, environmental safety and health programs. How do you select the best tool for the job? First, know and understand in detail the scope of work to be accomplished. Second, plan for the scope considering the sequence of the task. Selecting the best tool for each task requires training, experience, and following the manufacturer's instructions. When obtaining the tool, all the associated tooling and consumable parts as recommended by the manufacturer must be included. Let's say, for example, you are assigned to loosen or tighten crosshead screws. You have to use Phillips head screwdrivers to accomplish the job. In selecting a tool, you have to use the tool for the purpose for which it was designed. Not all tools come with detailed instruction, but there are those that do spell out the safety do's and don'ts for your safety. If there are setup or use options, operator judgment must always be based on what is the safest way to use the tool. The last but not the least thing that you would consider in preparing tasks to be undertaken is the environmental safety and health program. First, all tools be kept in good condition with regular maintenance. Some of the tool maintenance activities includes cleaning. Cleaning your tools may be the last thing you want to do after a day of work, but it's essential for keeping your tools in good shape. Second, lubricating. Lubricants must also be applied after tightening to reduce the friction. Corrosion and rust are the primary factors of a tool that needs lubrication. Third, tightening. Bolts and nuts of tools are to be checked regularly to see if it is still intact or are about to lose. 4. Sharpening. Pointed or sharp tools should be kept sharp to perform its functions properly and efficiently. Second, in the environmental safety and health programs is the right tool to be used for the job. Example, you shouldn't use wire cutter in order for you to recover parts from location that are too small for your hand to fit. What are you going to use instead? Yes, you have to use part retriever instead. Third, each tool be examined before use and damaged tool or defective tools not to be used. If defective tool is no longer usable or unrepairable, what are you going to do with it? Yes, unusable or unrepairable tools must be discarded or thrown away. The fourth one is tools be operated according to manufacturer's instructions or user's guide. Then the last is the right protective equipment for the tool and activity to be used. So to protect yourself from any harm or danger, we have to use PPE. Can you recall an example of a PPE? Yes, gloves, masks. Yes, very good. Now I want you to ponder, why is proper tool selection important in performing a task? So I guess this ends our topic for today. Special thanks to SlideScope for a very nice PowerPoint template. See you in another lesson.